Sorry, I don't pick up hitchhikers. Get lost. What are you doing? Having a picnic? Who's gonna get in the car?
Yeah. Hold off with the rebar arms.
Okay, get the baby and go to Papa's. All right, go. There's people coming in the back behind us.
Yeah, wait all the fries.
Avahan turu sunflowers too. Oh. Oi. Oi. Ha. Avahan tam ve. Yeah, we're going to go to sunflower maze. Avan turu Kalap mo nga ibig niya. Low kay pon. Wow. Look at the sunflowers.
I want to go to the maze.
Okay, I have a ticket.
Yeah.
Okay. Tuna chuanin sunflowers kan han kat do na ni Ticket pa nga kan leya. Ticket pakhatin. Sunflowers pathum zel kat phal na ania. Heng hi chu hei. Apara zo to he lai han. Wait there, you go down, you sit down. Okay, wait there. Go. Okay, keep going. We'll go. Come with me, baby. Okay. Remember, we're going to get 15. Okay, this is a good one. That one.
This one?
Yeah, at the bottom, no, way down. I want it long. Just about here. Okay, that's good.
Maybe. You're in the sunflower maze. So many sunflowers. And lots of bees too. Look at the bees. Intersection. Which way do you go? That way? That way? Or this way?
I don't want too big. Okay, get. Hold on. Yeah, here. I want the stem that's smaller one. Okay, but here, get that one.
Which one?
This one. Yeah. Okay, that's 3. Okay, we still have to pick. Okay.
Jane, come on.
Okay, here we'll just get everything from here. Get this. Yeah. Right here. Okay. Okay.
Still on the list.
Okay, so we got, that's 4. We need to pick 15.
You don't have to, but you can if you want to.
Yeah, it's a little bit short. Come here, get on this. How about get that one? All the way down, a little bit down, Okay,
Can I try that one?
yeah. Hi, baby. Here, this one. Yeah, about a little bit lower. Yeah. Okay, you gotta hold it, okay. Okay, can you count how many? Seiji got one. How many?
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, 10. We can do 5 more. Okay, here. I guess. Oh wow, there's bees here.
This one looks good.
Yeah. Okay, get that one.
But this one?
It's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, this one's bad. I don't understand.
It's kind of big. Mhm.
Shrub.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
11.
Um,
This one also looks really good.
how about this? Hold on, no, it's. Let's go down here a little bit here. Get this one. This one.
Okay. This one?
Maybe yeah, like right here. Did you like the French fries? Hey, but Dad. Hey, French fries, erawh. Look at it. Khi lai rai ta khian cái ni po kan kal dona ticket kan nei to cho kan han e. Hoten hi. I got 5 tickets for the ride, okay? Because I got a bundle because we have to go. I want to go to a sunflower maze.
What is that?
So on the other side, she said that we can pick sunflowers. For each ticket, we get 3 sunflowers.
So there's a maze over there.
Yeah, so we will go there.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, all these are. Hi, baby.
Hey, mate. Not the shut.
You're going to the Pangpar. That's what you pay for. The hay maze is for little kids.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, how much fun can a maze be when you can see over? It's only fun when you can't see over.
Kan boy về nặc, không kan ya.
It's only fun when you can't.
Tụi nghe kim
you
lâu
don't know
thì
where
kan
you
ngay
are.
rồi nghe nha, không nghe chu chu om thì
You don't
không
know how to
nghe.
get out.
Khu khu ta khu pakat chu.
Reminds me of the 1.7 thing.
What you doing all by yourself there? Ngei ti bit te kha. French fries si AM bit te lo ko ro ho. Den ten hi. Thấy chị tin reng. Hun đã cho nên lọ tổ đến nó mà hang lai rong rong hi apple te strawberry te peach te cho nên vegetable ka om treo boka.
5 people. Tickets.
Oh, you're hitting yourself. Oh, you're hitting yourself.
Mama, you pooped it.
And then you and me can bring the cars down. That's perfect.
Mama.
While you guys go, honey,
Uh-huh.
we're gonna take the cars down to the Apple place, okay? Down
Lars
to
gonna
the
drive
Apple.
by himself? I can drive by myself.
Yes, it's not far.
We're entering the maze entrance. Hey. Anh hẳn xem thiam mấy mấy như hay lai te hi. helaya corn ho hi ei turan siam pon ni lo infiam na tur ta na an da hei amei setia an han kal kwal thei na tur ta na nuam ve mai mai ta na han siam ania hei ti hian an han ti kwala mei sangin bo thei na tur ten an han siam ti hian akong an sial zela. Oh, is that the end?
No.
Okay. Hey,
You guys, I know a way out of the maze. Here's the
Okay, let's go. An vai mim te hi lian nia ka soi ang khan helai hi chu in fiam na tura ta nan an ti tro ani maya ei tura ta nan siam po ni lo hei ti hian min nuam taka an non han kal kwal thei na tura an siam khani ve mai ya nuam ve em a wak na tan ten hian thakop mai amai ro chu thil ti re ranga hianin aman hi om zela I helai po hi ni leng pona om theya helai aluman hi le ni chana contractor chuan na te khatiang zong kha pakhatan dollar som zel nia chu ai tampo a oma amai ro chu keini chung tan chuan atok em ani hei helai nuam ve mai me ka tu te nu le pa in nan thoka keinin tu te kan lo omani hi nakina anu na thona kan lakal leng kan tia voina come on baby
Mug.
what you doing Rooney okay come on baby got to buy nan na chinan so it's probably very hard right
Yeah, that don't.
yeah a chang khoi lai taka chua kang imo Larsi anom na chin po kan sha to lo ni khulama te khwan oh that's the end hey hit to top that may so I guess we have to go back or go this way okay ki koi kwal koi na sa le mai chuana kan sha to lo mai ang ti va hlawm ve I'm wondering if we can get out from here.
Pretty tall.
Kan chau to lu apple lo tu ber kha kan ya ma se kan da lo apple lo ma thil ti tur kha tam du tu chu wang chuan in hei kan chau to thei chuan om ka ra an lo kal pe to lo ni hi hei pathum chau apple okay, so hello. So what's the rules?
Can you
So we have 3 size bags. We have a small, medium, and a large.
Uh-huh.
Small's 15, 27, and 45.
Okay, I think we need the small one.
Small one.
Yeah. Oh, okay, small. Maybe how many in here you can put in?
Probably 7 to 9.
7 to 9. Okay, pound nursery. Okay, maybe we'll get 3 of this, right?
These would be the same amount as this, but you get less. So you should probably just get one of these.
Oh, okay then. Okay, if we fill these up, right?
I give you 2 on
Oh, okay. All right, let's go, guys. Okay, so what kind of apples are we picking?
We're just gonna pay right here. There's 2 kinds of apples. There's the Golden Delicious and Johnny Gold.
Okay. Oh, Johnny Gold. That's Grandpa's favorite. Okay, Johnny Gold is where?
It could be right in there to the left.
Oh, okay.
And Golden Delicious are gonna be on the right.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna pick Johnny Gold. So let's.
Excuse me, ma'am, did you pay for that?
Oh, we have to pay for. Oh,
Before you go in.
I did not know that. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Is that Tommy or TJ?
TJ.
TJ. You have to remember to tell. Okay.
So
So speak up.
okay. So we got the big ass bag, and how many pounds can?
Oh, probably at least 20, 25. It's
20.
a lot of apples.
This
can
is
go
my
in.
little cheat sheet.
Okay.
It does
good.
20 to 25 pounds.
Oh, I was
Or it's
right.
45 to 50 apples is about how much.
Okay. Do
I
we
keep
need?
this every
Yeah,
year.
that's a good idea.
Let me see. 45.
To 55, depending upon the apple, okay? But that's approximately.
Okay.
That's approximate.
Okay. And that's a lot. Maybe we'll get a smaller. I mean, the
Actually,
medium.
it'll go quick.
It will go quick.
Yeah.
Well, it depends on how many people are eating apples. You know, I mean,
Yeah.
if you keep them in that bag, they need to stay in the refrigerator.
Achia tam he me hey. Hey, Mooney, what you doing? Okay.
Anyway.
No, they get these and they make it for the animals, I think. Okay. Wow. Pick that right there.
Which one? That one?
Yeah. It's not. Oh wow, that's so big.
Oh, there's nothing on it.
Yeah.
It's a miracle.
I'm not gonna pay.
What?
There's no room to spend. Oh my gosh, they achia tam em anh nhỉ hi alian lian hlawm em ah ake vekan hi they're all got busted, you know. Wait, atla wat tam em. Oh wow, it's all cracked.
So, is this going to be a rainy season?
Three manga. You only pick one?
Huh?
Yeah.
I can only find one. That isn't like, you know. The insects got to it first.
Alright. What?
Gets attacked by lambs.
Erawh tawp lampang ania hi a season hi a tawp. Aka em. Wow, kan nau te po a chau to aniang hei.
I mean,
Amu hill. Yeah, that's good.
all right,
Amu hill pe to ni hi. Kan chau to lu to ka apple. Lau tur berin kan kala. Wait, you can fill a few more.
no, this is... Let's go. This is enough.
We can fill. Well, I'll get a couple more here, okay?
There are no more.
guys, let's go. There they go.